Next. Just.
Like a human being.
And I've got a few hats to wear in this movie. One of them for tonight, I am the head of the team that runs the rain towers. We have two trucks because we're not quite sure exactly how much water it's going to take to do this shoot. The only other problem is that in this shoot we're finding out that we're using more hose than we did before with the test. So we're finding that the trucks that we have to be a little bit closer than what we expected.